Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial series, we will see more about the dashboard, like what all are the things in the dashboard and what is the problem with the dashboard. So in the previous tutorial, we have seen like how we create the dashboard in the Power BI. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend you please go to the part 33 of this tutorial series and see like how we create the dashboard into the Power BI services. So let's go to the Power BI services, and here we created this dashboard. So like currently what is the problem with the dashboard? Like if I will go into my workspace and like financial report, so what is the problem here with this dashboard? Like when I click on any chart or the visualization, see when I click on any chart, like currently we can see like it is going to the main page. So what we see here, like it landed to this page. So that is the problem with the dashboard. Like generally in the report, what happened, like if I click on this April, like I want to see the data for the April. So when I click on this full dashboard is refresh. But like if I will go to the dashboard, let's go to the dashboard, and like here if I will click on any, like I want to see the data like for this, like government, what is the sales price, sales profit, and all these things, what all are the things. So like, but when I click on this, it will take us to the source page from the basically for the on the report page where we have created this dashboard. So that is the problem with this. So let's click here, like let's click on this and see, like I want to see the data, but instead of giving the data here, it will take us to the report page. So let's click here. So it has taken us to like on the page. So that is the problem with the dashboard. So most of the company, what they do, they work with the report only, because they can filter it out the data based on the requirement. Like if I want to click on this, so based on that it will give the data, like in similar way it will give the data. So like most of the company, what they do, they work with the dashboard. But still, if the you want to create the dashboard, then what you can do, like you can pin this live page, this full live page you can pin to as a dashboard, then it will be filter it out there. So I will minimize it, and like what we can do, pin a live page. So when I will click on this pin a live page, so what it will ask, it will ask like existing dashboard or new dashboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new dashboard, and I will give like financial full page. So when I will click on financial full and pin live, so it will take us to the go to a dashboard, and here we can see like it has taken full page as a dashboard. Like and here if I will click on any data, like if I will click for the April, the data is refreshing. We can see the data is refreshing. And if I will click on this, like if I will click on this one, so based on that data is refreshing. We can see like the data is refreshing. So like instead of taking one chart or two chart into the dashboard, because that doesn't work, it take us to the source page only. So instead, just what we can do, we can pin this full page, and we can work for the report instead of taking the work space. So that is the thing. So let's go to the our dashboard. So here like financial full page is the dashboard, we can see here. So that is the solution with like for the dashboard problem. Like instead of taking one chart, what we can do, we can pin this full page. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.